Want to send Robux to a friend? Here's the easiest way to do it in 2025. First, your friend needs to have an item for sale, like a game pass. To create one, they just go to roblox.com/create, select any of their experiences, then click Monetization, Passes. If they don't have one yet, they click Create a Pass, name it, and hit Create Pass. After that, they click the pass, go to Sales, turn on Item for Sale, and set the price. Keep in mind, Roblox takes 30%, so if they want to receive 70 Robux, set the price to 100. Then click Save Changes. Once it's done, they hover over the Game Pass, click the three dots, and choose Copy Link. Now they send that link to the friend who wants to give them Robux. To send Robux, just open the link and purchase the Game Pass. After buying, the Robux will appear as pending in the recipient's account. You can check it by clicking the Robux icon and selecting My Transactions. Roblox takes a few days to process the funds. If your friend already has an item on sale, they can just update the price and make sure it's marked as On Sale. And here's a bonus. For in-game items, some games let you gift the item directly, avoiding the 30% cut. Just make sure you type the username correctly when sending. That's how to give Robux to friends in Roblox 2025. Like and follow for more quick guides that actually work.